And as you can see, there's a small light on inside that room. Which, it's turned off. That's not good. That's actually very scary. I don't, bye! And now we're seeing if this water bottle will move from its position. We gotta set it up like this so we can see it though. Hang on. Perfect. Can you guys see that? I'm sorry if you can't. Might have to come around like this. Can you guys? Yes, you guys can see that. Great. Actually, we're gonna watch the clouds. Not sure if you guys can see the clouds. There's no clouds over there. All right. Well, we're gonna watch the clouds from here. You see the clouds from here? Oh, there's too many clouds from here. Oh, there's just enough clouds. All right, let's watch the clouds now. Oh wait, you can't. I was just singing a song for you guys. Yeah. You're singing along now. I'm Exodus. First I was walking through the woods of Wonderland, and we were passing toward the land. Setting down wherever ladies we never know. Leaving chaos of the world they were looking to come. Staring down the streets before I walked in the woods. Feeling into your hands and something really different. But much like the kitchen pot, so much in the woods. Devil was the making the truth of the silly thing. Said the most entertaining tender gentleman. Didn't try for the fortunes of the world. Every episode was more the perfect voice. The long spreading eagle flew the joy. Yes, I can be like I never really think about. I figured this was a welcome to the Wonderland.